Hello everyone. Myself, Rahi Patel, Rushikesh, Anish, and Mayankua are here to present a business analytics fundamental group case study. So I would like to give the introduction regarding my group assessment. The goal is to generate an insight report as well as the dashboard to answer the key business questions. Creating the reports that provide a clear view of the data through the visualizations, collaborations as well as creativity in the presenting findings using the Power BI are is a success in this project. So we have taken several templates from which from which we have collected the data and visualized some of the answers for these questions. So understanding the data sets. So we have collected this data from the two locations like the location XLSS and W11 Uluru goods. So the location XLSS links the cities, states, regions and identifies the city code and state number. And the W11 ULURU goods provides the transactional data on the sales, revenue and the products and the gross profit. So both the datas have been combined and we have solved all this question with this data sets which has enabled the detailed analysis across the locations and the products. So I would like to start with the question one which has been given in this question in this assignment. So what is the maximum longitude and it belongs to which state? So the question has clearly asked the maximum longitude about which state is having the highest longitude. So we can clearly see in the image that the New York state has the 40,224.75. After the sorting into the descending order, we can clearly see that the New York has the highest longitudinal value. So this longitude value has been matched with the state, with the city ID as well as the state mapping. The Power BI table visualize have been used to display as well as trace the corresponding locations from sales to state. After establishing this data relations, the output revealed that the New York state has this highest longitudinal ratio. Now coming to the second question. So in this second question, the question is how much is the total gross margins for each state in 2017? So from this data, we can see that the data has been filtered from the year 2017 using the slicer and to isolate the relevant transactions. A bar chart visualize has been used in the sum gross profit grouped by each state. So that the state with the highest total gross margin has been clearly shown as California and followed by the Arkansas and Illinois in 2017. So the highest number we can clearly see that the 13,439.54 and following with this Arkansas with the 11,709.61. So the lowest margin we can see that the Michigan having the 4,582.59 is the lowest collected data for this question, and the total we can see that the 1,23,196.88 has been the sum gross profit of the total margin of each state. Next question. How much is the maximum discount and by which store? So the question is asking that who has given the maximum discount and which store has been which store has given the more discount. So in this state chart, we can clearly see on the x-axis and the x-axis it is the sum of the discount, and on the y-axis it is the store discount. So the stack bar chart has been used to display the total discount amounts per the store across the data sets. Each bar set represents the discount performance of the individual store and the comparison. The store with the tallest bar indicates the highest overall discount given by the customer. The visualization helped to identify which store has offered the most discount over the analysis period. So in this bar chart, we can clearly see that the Ohio place with AP12 is having the highest bar chart with has been given a highest discount by the store. So and the lowest discount which has been given to him is the AP13. Uh, we can see in this bar chart. So now my friend Anish will explain the next question.
Yeah. Now I am explaining question number 4, which is which city has the maximum sale price in 2017 and how much? As you can see in Power BI, a cluster bar chart has used to visualize the original sales price by the city of the year of 27, where the city desk field is shows in x-axis and the original sale price to the y-axis. So in this graph, we can see as the total sales become visible at the top, and the result shows that Avagam with the highest sale and total approx 57K. So now I will explain the next question, question number 5, which is the city in question number 4, which product did they sell the highest sale price in 2017? In this explanation, in this analysis, a stack bar chart is used to visualize the product with the highest price in Avagam city of the 2017, where the filtering data for the Avagam and year 2017. This chart displays the sales price of each product. Also, the chart has been sorted descending order of the original sales to the show the product with the highest sale at the top. So, next question, question number 6. For the product in question 4, which year it has the highest original sales price? In this analysis, use a table visualized to determine the year when the product gloves had the highest original price in the Avaga, where by applying filter the city and product as well as displaying original price by year. The table highlight the yearly sales value, also sorting the sales in descending order, where it shows 2016 had a highest original sales price for gloves. Next question, question number 7. Which product category has the highest peak price in 2016? How much it is in total? In this explanation, a cluster column chart has been used to compare original sales across the different product category for the 2016 year, and also this chart display each category shows in the x-axis with the highest representing the total sales in the y-axis, where the categories household highest fixed price total. So now next questions will be explaining by Mayank.
Hello, my name is Mayank. I will explain question number 8. Which month had the lowest gross margin and in which year? A matrix visual has been created to display gross margin by year and month together in a grid. Gross margin values have been observed across all the combinations of months and years to find the lowest. Sorting through the matrix highlighted the time period with the least profit of the performance overall. The analysis identified that November 2016 as the month and year with the lowest gross margin, 9,494.49. So I will explain the next question. Question number 9. In the year with the lowest gross profit, which product had the lowest profit and how much is that? Data has been filtered to only include transactions from the year 2016, which is focusing on the product level profits. A table visually displayed the gross profit for each product, which is enabling a detailed comparison. Sorting the table in ascending order help to find the product with minimum profit value. Product TDS88 has been shown to have the lowest gross profit during the year 2016. I will explain question number 10. In the year with the highest gross profit, which product had the highest profit and how much is that? So dataset has been filtered for the year 2018 to isolate the relevant transactions involving the product level profits. A table was used to display the total gross profit for each product sold during the year. Sorting the profit values in the descending order revealed the product with top earnings. The product nails PDS 75 has the highest gross profit value of the 67,658.74 in 2018 year. Next slide. Now I will explain dashboard 1, product and category performance dashboard. This dashboard highlights the product categories as well as individual products contributing most to sales and overall profit. The stack bar and clustered column charts show the category and product level performance in the revenue and profit. Line and pie chart reveal the sales trends, discount impact, as well as quantity sold by different product categories. The metrics chart and the slicer enable inactive monthly profit views as well as category-specific filtering of visuals. Next. Now I will explain impact of category selection using slicer. Selecting the apparel from the slicer filters all visuals to show only apparel-related data insights. Sales and profit charts now focus on the apparel, and it is helping to understand which apparel items perform the best. The discount chart shows how much price cutting has been done specially in the selected apparel category. The metrics adjust to show monthly apparel profits, with the deeper sets indicating the higher performance months. Now, my friend Rushikesh will explain further. Thank you.
Now I will explain the dashboard to store levels operational insights. This dashboard compares the store performance according to profit, sales, revenue, discount, and quantity sold. The cluster bar and the donut chart helps identify stores with the top of profit and sales contribution. The table and the line chart display the store specific data as well as trend in the monthly profit fluctuations over the time. The slicer enhance analytics by letting the user focus on selected city as well as compare their store metrics. The table and the line chart and monthly gross profit by the store. The line chart always help in the profit, how they change in month by month in the top five store, where it is help to spot growth or the drops in the profit. In the line chart shows how the discount has been given by each store as well as which products category. So we can identify more particular ways in very deeply understand the how all other things work together. And then in dashboard 3, regional sales and profit performance. Purpose of this dashboard is to help the understanding how different region as well as state are going to doing in the terms of sale, profit, discount. Also, it shows where it most money is made and where discounts are given the most. So we can identify which state is helping with minimum discount and we are getting more profit from that, and which city we are giving more discount but not getting more profit from that state. The main chart and what they are shown. The metrics table and sales revenue. The metrics table showing sales revenue and gross profit by regional and state. This table shows the sales and profit numbers for each state under the regions, where the color bar helps find big and small numbers quickly, and it is helpful for comparing many places at once. Line chart, the monthly gross and profit trends. This line chart shows how profit grows up or down over the time, where it's helped to spot good or the bad month in the profit. The cluster column chart helps to identify discount by the region. In this chart, compare how much discount has been given in each region, where it helps to find the most discounted are helping. The donut chart, it's explaining regional sales revenue sharing. This chart also showing how much sales each region is giving to the total sales. Where it is bigger slice means more sales. Ramps showing revenue by state. The colorful box chart shows which state is bringing most money into the business and where is the bigger box means more sales. Six, cluster chart showing discount versus gross profit by the store. This chart also shows if the given more discounts helps store make more or less profit, where it shows each store as a double. So by looking these charts, we can identify each and everything about the stores, how discount is helping or not, or is any trend changing or helping or not, or particular month or particular period of time is affecting business or not. By looking this data, we can identify the key elements in this project. So that's all we have in this particular assignment. Thank you so much for each and everything. We also include some reference and the links in our presentation, so you can find this lecture there also. Thank you so much. I'm thank you for being my friends Anish, Rahi, and Mayank. Thank you.